You know, I actually spent the entire weekend fighting with a programmable garden hose timer.
Oh, no.
Uh,
How did that go?
well, I have high-speed Wi-Fi and literally an engineering degree, and I somehow still managed to completely flood the patio while leaving the hydrangeas just bone dry.
It's humbling, right? I mean, we rely so much on apps and automation, but ancient people relied on pure survival instincts and physics.
Exactly. And honestly, that is the specific mission for this deep dive today. We are looking at proto-hydraulic engineering in the Neolithic Fertile Crescent.
Right. And just to set the stage for you listening, we aren't talking about massive Roman aqueducts or those giant canals in Babylon.
Yeah, we are dialing the clock way back, like the window between 11,000 and 4,000 BCE.
Exactly. So this is the era of the regular villager. No emperors, no state architects, no blueprints, just everyday people inventing the basics of water management.
So, let's unpack the catalyst here. Why did they start moving earth and water around? Was it just to make farming easier?
It was actually about adaptation and resilience. The climate in the Fertile Crescent was fluctuating.
Right, they had those wet periods and then...
And then dry periods, yeah. We have this really distinct data from the Lone App project in the Zagros Piedmont. They analyzed speleothems.
And those are the cave formations, right? Like stalagmites.
Exactly. They act sort of like ancient climate hard drives because their mineral growth rates depend on the rainfall above ground.
Oh, wow. So they can see exactly when it rained.
Yes, and the data shows a sharp shift after 9,000 years ago. The region got significantly drier.
So the easy life ended and the rain stopped coming on schedule.
But instead of giving up, these communities adapted in such an inspiring way. They moved toward perennial rivers and springs and started engineering their environment.
They didn't just wait for rain, they managed the flow. I love that optimism and resilience.
It really is a story of human ingenuity.
So let's visualize this. If we walk into a village in 6000 BCE, what does low-tech, high-impact engineering actually look like?
It is subtle but brilliant. You would see stone-lined channels preventing water from seeping into the dry earth.
Before it even reached the crops.
Right. And you would see check dams in the gullies.
Check dam.
Basically small barriers designed specifically to slow down flash floods. So instead of water rushing by and taking topsoil with it...
The dam slows the flow so the soil can actually absorb the moisture.
Exactly. It was all gravity-driven flow.
And the mechanics of that. Because I think we assume ancient engineering means complex gears or pulleys.
Oh, that is a huge myth.
Right.
There were no mechanical sluice gates with hinges or gears.
None of that.
None. They used what archaeologists call manual closures.
Which is a fancy academic way of saying...
A rock, or a mud brick, or a wooden plug. If you want water to flow, you pull the plug. To stop it, you block the channel with earth.
It sounds simple, but it requires a really sophisticated understanding of slope and flow rates, right?
Oh, absolutely. Simple but brilliant physics.
Optimization in its purest form. And speaking of optimizing systems, let's take a quick second to talk about our sponsor, Embersilk.
Yeah, if you need help with AI training or automation or integration or software development, they are the ones to call.
Definitely. Uncovering where agents could make the most impact for your business or personal life is huge right now.
So check out embersilk.com for AI needs.
Awesome. So getting back to the engineering, the real insight from the sources here is the social implication.
This is the best part. This engineering happened centuries before the rise of complex states or urban governance.
Right. No central government mandating it.
It was communal experimentation, neighbors working together to manage agricultural risk.
Because if they didn't cooperate on the check dam, everyone lost the harvest.
Exactly. These small localized interventions laid the foundation for the massive civilizations that came later.
So the state didn't invent irrigation.
No, the state inherited it from these early innovators.
I love that. Humanity has this incredibly long history of solving impossible problems through community cooperation.
We always figure it out together. It really is an uplifting track record.
It makes you wonder, as we terraform our own digital or physical environments today, what kind of cooperative structures are we building for the future?
That is a fantastic thought for everyone to mull over.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe to the show.
Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out.
Thanks for tuning in.